So hi friends, today we will be seeing aggregation function in DBMS. So there are 5 aggregation function in DBMS which are min, max, count, average, sum. Min use the minimum value present in the column. Max is used to get the maximum value from the column. Count is used to get the count of rows present in the table. Also average uses the average value of a column, and sum is used to get the sum of all the value present in the column. So first of all, we will be see each aggregation function by practical implementation so you can understand better. For this we use database name college. After that we can see the table present in the college database. So there is a employee table present in the database college. After that, by selecting, we can see the data present in the table employees. So there is 8 rows present in the table employees. So by implementing each aggregation function, we see the practical implementation of that aggregation function so to understand better. So first of all, we use the minimum aggregation function. So by implementing this, we get the minimum salary present in the employees table. After that, the max salary present in the employees table is 75,000. In this way we can get the maximum or minimum value present in that table. After that, we are getting the average value of salary from the employees table. So the average salary is 58,875. After that, the sum of salary, we can see the sum of salary present in the employees table. So the sum of salary is 4,71,000. One aggregation function is remaining, which is count. So by using count, we are getting the number of row present in the employee table. So there is 8 row, 8 data entries of employee present in the table employees. So this is the practical implementation of aggregation function. For further videos, subscribe to channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.